friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make French fries. Very delicious snack recipe. I've mentioned few tips and tricks in this video to get perfect French fries. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Today I've taken 3 large potatoes. Choose nice, fresh and long potatoes for best results. Now peel off the skin and clean wash it. Chop off both the ends and cut in this way. Immediately after you cut, drop it to a bowl of cold water. This is just to make sure we remove the starch from the potatoes so that our fries are nice and crispy. This is a very important step. Rinse it well with your hands. Then transfer the potato pieces to a muslin cloth and let this dry for 5 minutes. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, drop in the potatoes and fry for 1 minute in high flame. Remove before the potatoes change color. Fry all the potatoes and add it to a mixing bowl. To this add a tablespoon of corn flour and half teaspoon of salt. Toss it well. Don't use your hands or spoon. There are chances you break the potatoes. Now it's nicely coated, so freeze this for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and our potatoes are out of the freezer, so let's now fry them. Heat the same oil and drop the potatoes one by one. Fry in medium flame for 3 minutes until they turn nice and golden brown. Now the fries are nice and golden brown and crispy, so let's remove them. Serve it nice and hot with some ketchup and enjoy with your family and friends. You can store the frozen fries in a Ziploc bag and enjoy for a month's time. Very easy and delicious snack recipe, so do try this French fries recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.